Finally, I want to add that bringing us into 8 or 9 regions is like creating a family. A family unit is only created when a man and a woman agree to get together to make a family. You can't sit down and create a family by virus, by saying, I create you to be a family. No. When two of them agree and their parents consent, a new family is born. Our parents already consented. Those elders or those sovereigns that we met in Lagos in July, that agreed that we should remain a single federation, and their descendants cannot less sovereign than them. So that is the proposition that we put forward. By to put a graphical example, like the topic says, unstable. It's unstable because uh, the, the, the graphic example is one of an aeroplane has three legs with 3 tires. Keke Napep has 3 tires, 3 legs with 3 tires. If you put the tires of Keke Napep on an aeroplane, you're already in flight, so what may help you? Down and go. If you put the tires of an aeroplane on Keke Napep, I'm sure it will move to nowhere because of the instability.